So we're going to talk about using protractors to measure and create angles. Sometimes I need to know how many degrees a particular angle is. So I'm going to use a protractor. The most important point on the protractor is right here where everything comes together. And I want to always put that point directly over the vertex of my angle. And once it's over the vertex, then I need to spin my protractor so that one of the lines is directly under my 0 line. See how this has a 0? I want to spin it so one of my lines is directly under the 0 line. I'm going to spin it there. And then I can just read up from 0. I know I start at 0, so I'm going to use the numbers that start at 0 instead of the ones that start at 180. And I'm going to count up. And I can see that it's 50 degrees. If I were choosing to do this the other way, notice if I line it up here with this line, right that way, now I'm using this set of numbers, the outer set, because those are the ones that start at 0. And I'm going to count up. Let me get it centered. There we go. And once again, I count up and I get 50 degrees. So this would be a 50-degree angle. But let's say I'm designing something and I know I need a specific angle. So let's say I need an angle that is 120 degrees. I'm going to start just by having a straight line. I can use any straight edge to create that. And then I'm going to make sure I know where I want the the vertex of my angle to be. And then I'm going to put that vertex right underneath. And now I've got it under a 0 line. And I'm going to go all the way up, all the way around to 120, which is right there. So I'm going to put a dot right there. And then I can just connect the dots between my vertex and my point using any straight edge. And now I know that I have an angle that measures 120 degrees.